Today's a good day. After a quick visit to the range, here's how I clean my revolver. As I have mentioned on all my previous revolver videos, one among the advantages of these revolvers is that they're easy to clean. So here's a quick video, especially for the newbies. Today's a good day. Wooshaaaa! Basic stuff that you need is, of course, your cleaning agent. I usually use Ballistol or Barricade, either or any CLP, whichever you prefer is okay. And then, of course, my cleaning rug, some pieces of cloth or materials that you can wipe it up after you clean it, board brushes, cotton pledgets, different types of board brushes. You can also use a board snake, and of course some paper towels. So this is what our revolver looks like after a quick visit to the range. You can see she's dirty, so let's do it. I know it's kind of redundant, but safety always comes first. Check and recheck. All 7 cylinder holes are empty. Okay. This is how I usually clean my gun. I start by spraying it with the CLP. This time I'm gonna use Barricade. Make sure it's moist. Then I use my cleaning rag to wipe it clean. I start with the outside of the barrel, like so, the cylinder. That's the outside of the gun. I already cleaned the gunpowder burns residue. See? That's quick, huh? We're gonna spray a little bit more on the cylinder bores. Then I use the bore brush. This is the bore brush that I usually use for 38 specials, 9mm, 357 mag. Basically, they're all same holes, same diameter. It's all real time. I'm not gonna do some cuts or editing on this part of the video. After you brush it, give it a quick wipe, especially on the outside where the dirt came out. On this side, give it a quick look. You can see the forcing cone is also dirty. Gonna spray it together with the barrel, the internals. Okay. Gonna give it a quick wipe. Quick wipe. Now we're gonna clean the barrel. Be careful with this one. You don't want to damage the crown. Usually we put a piece of cloth there to catch the gunpowder residues. One more. Like it's good. So I already brushed the cylinder holes. I'm just gonna dry it up. I would use a soft bristle brush. If you don't have a soft bristle brush, you can just use the cotton pledgets. After like so, I will clean each holes, dry it up with this piece of cloth. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cylinder holes. See the dirt I got? Okay. Now I can use my paper towels to wipe it clean, wipe it dry. Easy peasy. See how fast that is? Okay. Also in the inside of the frame, just give it a quick wipe. Okay, and I will do the same with the barrel. Since it's just a 3-inch barrel, I can just use the cotton pledget and a piece of cloth like this to wipe it dry. I'm just gonna push it like so. See? Dirty. Or you can use the other end of this board brush. Give it a quick look, quick inspection. Clean it up. Same thing with the cylinder bores. Looks like it's cleaning up. Okay. If you're planning to shoot again the following day or a week after your range visit, you don't need to polish it or give it a very, very thorough cleaning. I just clean it so that it will be like on tip-top shape and it will be well maintained and be ready for my next shooting escapade. See, it's clean now. Today's a good day. Wooshaaaa! And always think safety. So, a close-up look after we clean it. As I have mentioned, I'm not planning of storing it away. I'm still gonna go and shoot it probably next week or this Friday. So I don't need to polish it. But the good thing about using these products, you know, it lubricates, penetrates, protects, and preserves. So you don't need to really apply a thick lining of oil or anything like that. That's good enough. See, I still have a little bit of gunpowder residue over here, or burns, gunpowder burns. You can actually take more time of cleaning that, but as I have mentioned, I'm planning to shoot again this week. That's just a quick maintenance to ensure functionality. So easy peasy. You don't even need to disassemble anything. You just open the cylinder like so. Like that. That's the cylinder. The forcing cone. Breech space. Good enough. And that's it. And always think safety. Today's a good day.